cake a while ago and some people were asking me how I did it, so I decided to do an advanced tutorial on it and I posted it in the website for those of you who are interested. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I love how this cake turned out and I love the fact that it's kind of a Western style. In the tutorial I show how to make the grass and how to make the wood different ways and give you options so you know what is the fastest way to make it. The wood was supposed to look like it was old and all messed up, and I added some banners to the cake and I used some of these letters and they are kind of like Western style. As you can see, they're very easy to work with, and I wrote love in the cake and forever and put those in banners that I made in wood. In the tutorial I show how to do everything step by step, but for those of you who just like to watch, here is how basically I make this cake. It doesn't cover how I make the orchids, but I have a tutorial for that. It does covers how to make the daisies. I also show how to arrange the flowers and steps I take to ensure I like the finished look of the cake. I will post a link in the comment box below for those of you who are interested in watching the whole tutorial step by step. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit me in Facebook, Instagram, share your photos with me, and subscribe to my blog. Until next time, ta-ta!